Hello superstars, welcome to another styling tutorial video with me Jimmy. Today we are working with Andani Fro, which is part of the new products from the Darling Crochet collection. And as always, we are using African Pride black castor braiding gel to make sure our edges are neat, and we are also using a lash hook, which is a crochet, for installation. What we want to achieve is to blend her natural hair with the extensions to give the illusion that they are one. So we are going to separate the hairline all around. That is what we are going to use to blend with the extensions. After braiding the entire hair into place, we can start the installation. The crochet goes underneath the cornrows. You attach the hairpiece, you pull it through, and then you create a loop. You take the end of the extensions through the loop and you secure. As simple as that. And now that we're done with the installation, we can take out that hair we left out around the hairline and blend with the hair extensions to give the illusion that the entire thing is her natural hair. This technique of leaving the model's natural hair out, not only does it help in making it look natural, it also helps in giving us options in terms of styling. Here I'm going to show you a quick second look you can do with the style. You are going to need pins for this look. All you do is pin the entire hair up, making sure that the sides are clean and the edges are clean, and just like that you have a second look.
New styles from Darling. Find your beautiful.